Hi, my name is Cheyenne Depue, and I'm a physical education teacher at Gardner Elementary School here in Wichita, Kansas, and I teach grades K through 5. And this is a little bit about me. My freshman year of college, I started off at Emporia State University, and I was in the marching band and I did color guard. After my freshman year, I joined the military. And then after that, I decided that school or in-person school wasn't for me. And so then I started going to Fort Hays State University online, and I just graduated this past spring with my degree in human and health performance. Here are all my pets. This is Kiwi, my hedgehog, my horse named Zeus, and my 2 dogs. This is Banjo that we got from the pound. And this is my new Boston Terrier puppy. So this is some of my pictures of me and my sister. My sister also attends Fort Hays State University. She's currently on the campus. In my free time during the summer, I like to go kayaking. And when I was overseas, we were able to go off base and we went and rode some camels. Some goals that I have for the year for short term is to first off make it through the school year. Grade school is really not grade school anymore. It's survival of the fittest. A long-term goal would definitely to progress and move schools and maybe go to middle school or high school. Some goals for this class is pretty much I'm open-minded to anything and I'm just wanting to grow within this course.